Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. This is FX Ninja. As you all know, this is a quick video showing you the result of the SMC indicator or the SMC system that we did a video run a day back. If you look at a corner of this video, you will see the link to that video, so you can go and watch that video so that you get update as regarding this. Now we use this system to give signals on our channel for some hours now, and you can see we said they should sell V75s. So this is the signal being generated from here, and you can see price really doing justice to that. And this is our take profit over here. You can see we are risking how much? We are risking $5 to make about $20 with 2 position open. So this is how we use the system. How do we generate the signal? Very simple, using the SMC tactics. You can see that price continuing to form a lower low, lower low, and lower low, lower low here, telling us that this is a bearish market. All right, so what we just need to do is to wait for price to form a CHOH. Like you see here, this is a change of character over here, and once we are able to cite that, then we know that price is going to reverse back to this low, even though if it wants to continue on upside, or if the trend wants to change to the upside, it will still first come back to this area, okay, or this area of our Fibonacci, okay. It still need to come to this side, the extreme side, before we see price rally back up. So that is how we generated this signal. You can see the sell signals, and this is like a trend continuation. As you can see, this is a sell over here. You see that this is another sell over here. You see that these are internal structures, and we have another sell signal over here, which make it very valid. And we took this signal because this is our PO high, and this is an internal price came into an internal order block. And most importantly, if you look at this high, it cleared a liquidity here, so it swept market up here, and this is our stop hunting zone. This is our stop hunting zone. This is our stop hunting zone over here. So price swept this liquidity before giving us the signal, which makes the signal to be very valid. As of now, we are expecting price to do what? Price to take out this low, because this is actually a weak low, as you can see. So we are expecting price to take out this low and do whatever is next. Okay, so we also have a signal on I think on V10. You can see this very signal on V10. Okay, we took the signal actually I think from 15-minute time frame. Okay, it was taken from 15-minute time frame, and you can see good profits. Let's see where we took the account from. The account is from $16, and you can see it's currently trading at $46, courtesy of this SMC indicator. So you can see the signal over here, nicely done, and you can see our take profit is still very far from here. Our take profit is here 50. We are targeting this, which is $50, so you can see, and we are risking how much? We are risking just I think $4.87, as you can see from there. So if you put this on 1 hour time frame, it will be very good for us to be able to analyze properly. Why do we take this signal? We took this signal because if you look at price very well, price has been forming lower lows and breaking structures, but there was a change of character over here, making price to be bullish, telling us price is bullish, and at the end of the day, what happened? Price also formed another lower low here, lower low here, lower low here, and price moved back up, and price was unable to form more lower lows, which tells us that we are back to a bullish market. And if you look at this low and this low, price came down and did what? And took out these 2 lows, which means a clear of liquidity to the downside. This very low over here is a strong low and is a protective low. It's a protected low, which means that price can never come back to this low again, which makes us to target a new high. Price will break all these highs over here. This is also a weak high. Price will take it out and form another high over here before even reversing to any of these other blocks over here. So these and more have been documented in a proper video on how you can trade this system using the SMC strategy, and how you can, you know, have a way to enter the market without a fear. Most of the challenges of SMC traders is that they don't have a confirmation of when to enter the trade and when not to enter the trade. With the help of these arrows, you can know when to enter the trade and when not to. Okay, we have documented a video course on how this system works perfectly and how you can use it to generate more income for yourself. So if you are interested in this video, in this system, just go to the description of this video right now. You will see a link there that will direct you on how to get this system. Once again, I am FX Ninja. Thanks you for always watching our videos. More importantly, go ahead right now and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you click on the notification bell so that each time we do a video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you once again, and God bless you.